One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And what I got here for you today is a review. What are you doing, bud? Review of a Uhaul 26-foot truck. Now this is October 5th of 2024.
But so guys, next time it's Halloween. You gotta be Shinsonic.
Shinsonic, huh? Okay, so he watches too much YouTube, I think. So it's October 5th of 2024, and this is what you get. This one's in 2019. It's a Triton V10, and it's too big for me to even fit going down the side. It's huge. It's the biggest one they make. I'll show you inside the box. I'll show you inside the cab, some of the options and stuff, and that's pretty much what I'm here to show you, is what you should expect when you rent one of these. I'm also going to give you some tips to not get ripped off and keep yourself safe to where you don't, well, get ripped off or hurt yourself in a financial way because you didn't have the right insurance to get it done. Now, I'm no professional at this, and this is no professional advice. This is just a guy that's probably rented about 100 of these in his life, easy. And I've heard bad complaints. Oh God, this is this and this is that. No, I've had great luck with U-Haul. This is a 2019 truck. It only has 80,000 miles or so on it. Outside is absolutely gorgeous. I do a walk around on it, and I show you how it looked, because you always want to do a walk around on these. Make sure you're not just getting yourself into something that you don't want to get into. 80,868 miles. And this particular one had a check engine light on earlier. I'll never worry about that, but AC, you got radio. Some of them have Bluetooth. Park, there we go. We got USB chargers. There we go. Audio line in. So you can put your audio line in right from your phone. Traction control off. So you can do Brodies and peel out. No owner's manuals. Wow. Kind of seems like they give you that. You got all kinds of instructions up here that you can check out and know how to operate your equipment in case of emergency. Got a little mirror for your woman or man sitting over there. All kinds of brochures and such. It's got power steering. These things drive like a car. Just make sure and turn wide. Watch your things. And tow haul, I wouldn't have it in tow haul unless you're full and, you know, really bearing down. In fact, if you're on the highway, I wouldn't have it on tow haul either, unless you're going up a pass or something, going up a grade. If you're up a tow haul on, you're gonna get less miles per gallon. You don't want that. Seats are beautiful. You got a console in the middle to put stuff. I mean, you can put an extra person here if you want, headrest and all. They're nice trucks. And I've never had a problem. Anybody does have a problem, they'll come get you and fix you up just proper. I'm going to throw in the walk around where I go around and show you different things where if there's damage and such, they're going to show you, there'll be stickers. But the problem is there's not a sticker on every piece of damage. So it's basically on you to look at it. And even if you buy the insurance, you don't want to have, you just, you don't want to be paying for one of these. You do not want to pay for it. Okay, this is the box. Now I've done reviews of these before. You can look on my channel. Go down below and click the cereal marshmallows and just say you want to see this, and bammo. We got 2 moving blankets up here. We're going to have to get some more moving blankets out. Ooh. Yeah, we rented them, and they're good deals. $5 for a dozen. That's per day. We got mom's attic up here, which is nice. $25 if it's not swept clean. Keep that in mind. We've got it swept out. Some kind of oil or something on here. I don't know what it was, but not on us. This truck is water resistant, not waterproof. Huh. Looks like it to be waterproof. So they got all kinds of things in here. Tell you little tips and tricks. Tips and tricks. And you get 1 month free storage with every truck rental. Crazy. But they just want your run business. It's $169 a month after that. Also, these have a really low deck, and this thing comes all the way out. It makes it really easy. It comes all the way out and goes down. I just don't want to do it right now. Makes it really easy, and really easy to push back in too. So that's the truck. We're gonna actually sweep these footprints out of it. And that's about that. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video, but I'm not ending it. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the stuff in here about doing a preview and checking it all out. I mean, the first thing on it that I can tell you right here is the bumper's bent and there's no sticker on it. So if you were to rent this truck without the insurance to bring it back, and next thing you know, somebody does their job finally and realizes the bumper's bent, it's gonna be on you. So pay attention to the next part and we'll go from there. I'm gonna show you how to save big money on your U-Haul and also how to make sure you don't get stuck with damages you didn't do. The first minute and a half of this or so is just me talking, so skip ahead if you want to checking out the U-Haul. And I'll tell you what, checking out the U-Haul is just me looking for damage. And that's what you should do. Look for damage before you get in it. Make a video of the thing, man. You got a phone, it's pretty simple. Here we go, check this out. One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com, at the U-Haul place. And I'm gonna do a video about how to check out a U-Haul when you're picking it up, to where you don't get stuck with some damages, stuff like that. Pretty easy to rent a U-Haul. Anybody can do it. I think you gotta be 21, that's about the only thing. They don't even ask if you got insurance. They just give you the U-Haul. Kind of cool. Very versatile. I have used U-Haul hundreds of times in my life. Always had a good experience with them. And this video I'm just gonna show you kind of how to do a walk around and check out your truck before you go get in your truck and then you get damages that weren't yours. Number one, buy the insurance. Some people might not buy the insurance. You might think your insurance covers it on your car. Probably about a 90% chance to 100% chance your insurance in the car ain't gonna cover your U-Haul. So if you damage the U-Haul, they've got a little thing on their site that shows you how much each little damage costs. And it's not pleasant and something you wanna do, trust me. So I spent 160 bucks and it cost 56 for the, there's my bunny. Hi bunny. We had a big windstorm, it blew their house away. I'm gonna have to catch them. I spent 56 for the insurance. If you do anything to the truck, it's covered. You don't have to pay. So that is cool, nice insurance. If you do something to the truck, you have to pay them immediately if you ain't got insurance. Yeah, yours ain't gonna cover it, believe me, on your car. Point is, really important to walk around the thing, see if there's any damages on the thing before you jump in and start driving it. It's a big U-Haul place here. I'm in Helena, Montana. Huge parking lot. Lots of storage. You get a month free storage rental when you rent a U-Haul van. And that's a great way to $25,999 gross. What number are we on? JH5047J. Wow, it's right here. So it's a Triton V10. I love these. I'm gonna go around it and I'm gonna make sure that all the damage is tagged. And on these, they tag damage, or are supposed to. Sometimes they miss stuff. And I don't want no damages on me. It's kind of wonky on the front here. Bugs, miscellaneous, dirty. It's pretty clean, probably pretty new truck, looks like. And like I say, I want to see everything. And this here is a scuff. And I bought the insurance. It's $56 for the whole trip. Little scuffs up there up top. I'm gonna zoom in. I didn't do that. Some miscellaneous scratches going all down the sides. There's a scuffy scratch here. It's actually been painted or something here. There's all this in here. There's a tag there that's wore off, a tag there that's worn off. Big old thing here. This is all in here. Somebody scraped something. This here, I don't see a tag on that, but this is all wonky and all messed up. Actually, a little bit more than I thought there'd be. A little scuff. And it's not big damage, a scuff there. It's just stuff that I don't want to be responsible for. And I don't think scuffs here and here. I don't think you're responsible. How did they do that? That is the worst looking wheel. Looks like they painted it. Made in Turkey. Holy hell for it. This is getting all rusty and they look to have scratched that a little bit. Well, I think there's a big old gouge up there. And gouge here, but there's a sticker on that one. Scratches. scuff here with no tag.
I can have my own party here when
Party?
I
Scratch.
tell
Scratch.
everybody.
Big old
That's
chunk of something
my
up there.
party.
Scrape up there. Big old scrape. Where is that one? Right there. See that scrape? And it looks like the vinyl is all cracked off right there. So that's this side. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good thing. Bumper looks clean. Doesn't look all banged up, I don't think. They banged it here. Bent in a little bit. And this side, little scuff. They smacked it there. Big scuffs going all right here. Scratch there. All scratch going down the whole side.
Dad?
Big one. All the way down too here.
Hi, guys.
This one too. You say hi again?
Guys.
There you go. Oh yeah, see they got stickers on some of them. I just don't want to be, there's not a sticker on that one. So, whatever. This here, scratches. Vinyl missing, scratches up top. And they don't even come out here to look at this stuff with you. This one right here, there's nothing on that. There's no sticker. There's a scratch here. This is smashed in, no sticker. Sticker there, but this whole thing's rough. And this bunk down here. You know, I was looking at that, scratched and scuffed in here, everywhere. It's definitely got a little bit of damage. Big scratch
What's
there.
that?
That's delaminating, falling apart there. And they've scuffed up that whole front. Smacked it on something. And more miscellaneous scratches. And it definitely is bent down, isn't it? Yep. Well, that gives us a good look at what we've got. This is a 26-foot truck. And, you know, just to give you an idea, think about this. Cab's pretty clean. Same thing on these boxes, though. The whole bottom, it's all wonky. There's damages, scratches and scrapes. Deep scrape on that one. Crazy. So, with everything, I don't even worry about checking the oil on them. That's their job. Scratches, scuffs, big old things falling off. This thing is out here unlocked. This ain't got many miles at all on it, man. This is a nice truck. I have a really good experience with Uhaul. Check the fuel. Make sure the amount they say on the paper matches the amount on the dash, because that's the amount you have to get it back to. And when you're getting back to that amount, they overrate it. If you read their tag, they're gonna tell you how much fuel you need to go that many miles. Problem is, going that many miles, I was going 150, 180 miles. They rated my trip at 225 miles. So they say you get 10 to 12 miles a gallon. If they figured 11, they're rating me at 45 miles more than I'm gonna go. They're gonna charge me, I'm gonna pay an extra 4 gallons of fuel. It's 12, 15 bucks, man. 4 gallons. Holy heck, it is like $15 almost. So whatever it is, don't pay attention to them. Do your own math, do your own stuff, figure out how far you're driving, set the tripometer when you start out. It's a great way to keep track of how far you've driven, and then you'll know how much gas to put in. If you're going and driving there about 10, 20 miles, I would put the gas in at the beginning of the trip and do how much you think, because it might take a little while for the float to come up and the gas to show. That's about all I know. Great way to move, great way to rent a cheap truck. I mean, they give you plenty of miles. I love them. They're always clean. This was a 2019, had 80,000 miles on it. So super cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Check out my channel. There's all kinds of videos on here and all kinds of videos with reviews of these same U-Hauls. So check it out. Subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.